Welcome back to Math 171 Pre-Calculus Algebra. In this video, we're going to talk about what order we apply transformations of graphs in. So if you'll recall, there is the saying, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, which says parentheses exponents multiplication division addition and subtraction. Now we are going to group multiplication and division together, and we're going to group addition and subtraction together. But now when we look at A times F of B times X plus C plus D, we can see from looking at this, we follow the order of operations. We have parentheses, then inside of those parentheses we have more parentheses. The first thing that we're doing to X is adding C, so the first thing we're going to do with transformations is apply our horizontal shift. Now the next thing we're going to do is multiply by B. So we're going to apply horizontal reflection slash rescaling. So rescaling you can also think of as stretching or shrinking. So whatever you're doing in the horizontal direction, we're going to do that. The one thing that you do have to be careful of is with the format that I've put this in, that you're not going to be reflecting across or expanding or shrinking from the original y-axis. It's now going to be the adjusted y-axis, which is where you shifted it to with the C. Next thing we do in the order of operations, we see that we multiply the whole thing. Well, apply the function to that, and then we multiply by A. So that's going to be the vertical reflection and rescale. And now finally, under order of operations, the last thing we do is D. So the vertical shift. Now I do want to point out that our textbook takes a little bit of a different approach to this. They say do horizontal shift, then all stretching or shrinking, then all reflecting, and then vertical shifting. So, in essence, we do end up doing the same thing here. I just went ahead and splitted the horizontal and vertical with that. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this video here, and then do one more video for this unit on just going through an example of doing this with a function.